Okay. One way of exploring careers is by looking at occupations according to personal interests. Different people's personalities may find different work environments more to their liking, and that is why we took the personality survey last month. Each of us leans toward one personality area, usually with two supporting areas. Your combination of these three areas is what is known as your Holland code. So there are 6 different areas, and when you look at your interest survey, you're going to see that there's realistic, which are the doers. They like to do things hands-on. They're very practical. Then there's conventional, which is the personality area, and those are the organizers. You have enterprising, which are the persuaders, like your lawyers, people that are very good with debate. Then you have your artistic personality area, which are your creators. Your social personality areas, those would be people who are helpers. A lot of community service, teachers, nurses, those are all helpers. Coaches, physical therapists. And then you have your investigative, and those are your thinkers. Those would be your scientists, people that really like to uncover things. Forensic areas, like forensic scientist or forensic policeman. So those are the 6 areas. Now, let's look at your personal survey. On the very bottom, it's been calculated, on the very bottom are your top 3. If you take the first letter of each one, that makes your code. So if you were a realistic for number 1, conventional for number 2, and enterprising for number 3, your code would be RCE. And that's going to be important when we start to do our research, because they will ask what your code is. Now, you can look up careers just strictly by realistic, just by one word, by conventional or by enterprising. Or you can look up careers that are a combination of personalities, like RE, realistic and enterprising, and it'll list careers that fall into that cluster. So advisors, what you're going to do is they're going to get on a website, and it's the top of their assignment page. They get on that website, and there's snapshots on your lesson plan of what that website's going to look at. So instead of just looking up a career, they're going to start by looking up a cluster that matches their personality, and then from that cluster there'll be a whole list of careers, and they need to look through the careers and click on the ones that look interesting. Once they click on one career, it'll take them to a whole lot of information about that career, and that will help them fill in their little briefcases here. On this page, they should write what code they used to find that particular career. So if they used 2 of their codes put together, then they would put both of those letters in the briefcase handle. If they only used 1 of the codes, then they would just put 1 letter in there. And they want to take their time so that they can explore all 4 different careers. If they get done with 4, they can feel free to go on and do other ones. They're going to actually take this paper home with them so that they can see what they researched, and maybe they want to look into those careers more. So what you're going to do is you're going to take their folder, and I've given you stickers. Take 1 sticker, put it in the inside cover of their folder, and they should write the 4 careers on that sticker in their folder. So next year, they'll see what 4 careers they looked at this year. Maybe they want to investigate them more. Maybe they want to investigate other careers. So, and it'll give us an indication of what they're looking at, what different kind of careers they're looking at.